Well, thank you all for being here. I'm Kristi Noem. I'm from South Dakota. And you know, honestly, historically, women are more likely to regularly seek out healthcare services. Just like women are more likely to ask for directions first or maybe arrive somewhere a little bit faster. But honestly, I don't have a woman in my life that isn't trying to balance 100 different things. They can't afford to be sick or not feeling well. They've got kids to take care of, moms and dads to have responsibilities for, and families and jobs to balance. And so they want facts. They don't want nonsense. A lot of the nonsense that was out there when this bill was passed simply has come to light and proven to be not true. Like was said earlier, they said it would create jobs. It didn't. They said that we could afford it. It wouldn't cost money. That's not true. And to be honest with you, they said that we could keep our plans as women. We could keep our plans if we liked them. That was a lie. And we're here to set the record straight for what women in this country want. I've been contacted by women all across this country telling me that this health care bill takes away their choices. When we're out there looking for choices for our families and what's best, we know that one choice doesn't end up giving us the best option, that we need to have more. Small businesses in this country have responded to this legislation by saying that 50% of them in the future will have to stop offering health care plans. What that means is that a lot of women in this country work specifically for the health care benefits that come to their family. That will leave many families, many women, without the health care needs being addressed that they so desperately need. It's not right. It needs to be stopped. And this comes down to one fundamental question for all of us here today and everyone across this country. What kind of a country do you want to live in? Do you want to live in a country where the government makes your decisions for you? Will this government tell you what kind of health care you can have? Will it tell you what kind of car to buy? Will it tell you what kind of groceries to have? That's the path that we're going down with this health care law, is a fundamental shift in the direction that this country has always gone, and it does need to stop because it's not good for women. It's not good for our kids. It's not good for our parents. We do need some health care reforms today, but I'll tell you, we've supported those and had legislation here to do that. Purchasing health care insurance across state lines would cheapen the costs for families. Also, we had a bill here that passed the House floor that addressed malpractice insurance and a lot of the reforms that are necessary in that area. Those are real fundamental changes that will bring huge benefits to women in this country. They recognize that. If there's one thing that we're good at standing up here as women, as mothers, as wives, but especially as mothers, is we know when somebody's trying to pull the wool over our eyes, and we don't stand for it. We deal with facts every single day in our lives, and when it comes to our health care decisions, the facts are that this bill is not good for women in this country, and that today's the day we decide we live in a country where we have the freedom to choose. Thank you.